Today we're challenging for cookies.
Okay, let's go. 3.
Ooh, this is what we get. No, the cookie. I want.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, you just given the cookie that I want. How are you winning?
Wait till I say go to do it, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes.
I just got confused. Bruh. Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop doing it early. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. Get out of here. Oh, uh-uh. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Back.
1, 2, 3, go.
Peanut butter.
It's good though, right? Come closer. 1, 2, 3, go. Get out of here. Let me try this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. This one's peanut butter M&M. 1, 2, 3, go. Top it down.
I want that food.
One, two, three, go.
Beep,
Wait.
beep, beep, beep. My food, my food.
Okay, now just you two do it. I'm not back here.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes!
No.
Obviously no. Nobody can win if there's 2 people. To the side. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
No! That was mine. That was mine, this is.
It don't matter. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mommy, stop this.
Okay, y'all can rock, paper, scissors. I have my back. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Nah, bro.
Yeah, bruh.
How about we switch it up? How about the person that gets the opposite and has to run and the other two get to eat? Or this one? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Run. This one is so good.
I'm not gonna wait for you, So, let's keep doing that. That's actually good.
Mhm.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes! Come on, mommy. Get the food. No chocolate milk for you and you. Do I have a mustache? Do I have a mustache?
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. He said he'd rather do it like that. This one's so good.
Easy.
I can't breathe, Deborah. My belly out.
Yeah, that's the stuff.
1, 2, 3, go. Run. I think this one's the best.
I slipped. Thank you. I just slipped on my butt.
What's y'all's favorite?
The brown one.
The candy corn? Ew. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow.
Okay, let's get our milk, mommy.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. You're gonna end up drinking both of the chocolate milk.
Listen,
My belly's too full, guys.
Legacy, don't drink both of the cups.
Why is there milk on the plate?
Legacy,
It might be good like that. You might dip it in your milk too, guys.
don't
Take a
drink
bite.
both of the cups.
You can dip it in your milk to take a bite. Okay?
Yeah, that was me on accident.
1, 2, 3, go. Shit.
No, I want it. No, Legacy, let me have it. Okay, here.
Bah. One,
Oh,
2,
my-
3, go. Get out of here.
Give me my milk.
Let me dip. Dip. Mhm. I know it's like a shower, guys. It's hot. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, what?
Uh-huh. Guys, I'm so full. I don't think I can do it no more. 1, 2, 3, go. Shit. Put it down.
I just put some extra milk for you.
What do you mean by that?
I put like some of my milk inside
No,
yours.
I don't drink after people. I'm gonna put some extra milk for you.
Babe.
I appreciate the gesture. Okay.
After one more, I'm done. I can't,
I'm so full.
but I will go in for some milk.
1, 2, 3, go. Bia. And this is my cup, remember.
My shit. I was thinking that color.
Guys, I'm hot.
This one.
This is why I'm hot.
Come on.
Ew. 1, 2, 3, go. Get out of here.
Too full.
Get out of here.
Too full.
Kick rocks. I'm taking a good, nice, cold shower after this. Hey guys, I know I said I was gonna cook, but I did cook. I just didn't film it. Yesterday, he cooked.
Come on, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, go. Aww.
Come on. Mommy, I think I'm done cleaning.
You too full?
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Come on. I'm way too full. Oh, get out of here, bro. The finger was out. No, go tag somebody else in.
Who? I can?
Yeah.
Liam! Liam! You know what? I kind of want to see this. I don't want to eat, but I want to see.
Guys, I'm so full. And Legacy's so full. Come here, Legs. Let's see your belly. See how full your belly is. Oh, yeah.
It don't hurt.
Okay, y'all. We're all way too full, and we're about to end it here. So, come on, y'all. Say bye. 1, 2, 3.
Bye.